This will give you a feeling of sweet and savory taste. The combination of soy sauce with carrots plus eggs is just mind-blowing. The combination can be done on noodles or any kind of pasta. So let's begin. I'm Hannah Mangoi Hencha and welcome back to my channel. You will need 1 cup of rice, salt, 1 sliced onion, 1 chopped tomato, 1 julienne carrot, that means cut into thin stripes, or you can also chop them, 1 beef cube, 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 eggs that are beaten, cooking oil. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice and then boil. Meanwhile, wash your rice. After your water has boiled, add your rice and then season with salt. Boil till all your water has dried up and the grains are cooked in the inside. Our rice is now ready for the next stage. In a saucepan, fry your onions till glossy. Add your chopped tomatoes and carrots, then give a good stir and leave to cook till your vegetables are tender. Add 1 beef cube, then season with enough salt. Now add your eggs and your rice in bits while stirring. At this point, reduce your heat to low since your eggs will begin to stick to your saucepan. Keep stirring till all your ingredients are perfectly incorporated and your eggs are cooked. We'll then add our soy sauce and stir. Our egg fried soy rice is done. Like I said earlier, the combination of egg and soy is just amazing. It takes the boiled rice to another level. Make sure you try this. Thank you for watching, guys. This is a channel where we help you discover new and exciting recipes and help you unlock your creativity. Goodbye and let's meet in the next one.